What's up, gamers? Have you ever wondered how those top tier streamers build their gaming/streaming PC? Are you the kind of person who says, I could never build my own PC, I wouldn't even know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick time lapse of how a streaming PC gets built piece by piece. I will put a link in the description for all the parts that I used in this build and give you a brief overview of the capability that you can have from a streaming PC. Whether you're a console streamer, PC streamer, content creator, or just thinking about getting into the wonderful world of building your own PC for whatever purpose, this video is for you. So if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm continually making videos for your entertainment, and it would really be awesome to finally hit 250 subscribers. I've been slowly growing this channel for over the past few years, and I'm starting to see that you guys are really enjoying my videos, so I want to thank all of you who have already subscribed to the channel. It's really because of you, my subscribers, that I keep on pushing out videos like this. I don't make anything from this, I just want you to enjoy the channel while you're chilling at home, and hopefully I can bring a little bit of joy into your lives. So enough about me. In this build, I'm using an MSI motherboard. It's a Z490 Carbon Gaming Wi-Fi. This board is unlocked. It gives me the ability to overclock. More on that later. Next up is the Gamdias P2 360R AIO, or all-in-one CPU cooler. I went with this brand because it's not mainstream, it had great reviews compared to top tier brands, and I really like the RGB lighting that comes with the Gamdias lineup. I think it looks sick, and it's my favorite to look at. Next up, I went with a mainstream brand here for the RAM, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. This is a 32GB DDR4 kit with two 16GB sticks. Keeping with the RGB theme, I'm going with. Again, keeping it with continuity for the RGB, I went with Gamdias again for the fans. Here we have the AEOLUS M2 Trio RGB fan kit. In this build, I have 10 total. You can't have a PC without a CPU, so I went with Intel on this, and I got an i9 10900K processor. This is a 10-core, 20-thread, 10th generation Intel i9 that's unlocked, also for overclocking. This gives me plenty of cores for multi-threaded tasks like video editing and streaming via OBS. Here I have the dual pane tempered glass PC case from GIM. This is an Amazon case that will really look good once this build is finished. It has an integrated RGB light bar, grommets for running cables, tie-off locations, replaceable PCI slot shields, magnetic filters, and 10 spaces for 120mm fans. Since I only console stream, this PC is complete overkill. I will be adding a GPU later to the build, but for now, I'm going to reuse the GPU I have already. Well gamers, enough about parts. I hope you liked time-lapse video because it's about time to use some of that editing magic and cut to the build. So without further ado, And now, what you've all been waiting for, the reveal.